So let's start the class now, right? So in the last class,
Sir.
we have finished angular momentum of a satellite. Yes, no? In the last class, we have finished angular
Yes,
momentum
sir.
of satellite. Now today, energy of an orbiting satellite. Energy of an orbiting satellite. Right. So I'm drawing diagram. This is a planet as usual. And here it is satellite, which is revolving around the planet. In a circular orbit of orbit radius small r. Okay. ठीक है? Yes, no? So this is capital R and mass is m. And this is small r. Okay. What is the mass of satellite? Small m. What is the mass of this planet? Capital M. What is the capital R? Radius of planet. What is the R? Radius of this orbit in which the satellite is revolving. Okay. Now who will tell me what will be the potential energy of satellite? Can anyone tell me? Potential energy of satellite. What is the formula? Minus Gm by R. Agree with me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Potential energy of satellite is what? Minus Gm by R. Now next one. What will be the kinetic energy ray? Yes, if it is revolving with velocity, let us suppose phi. है ना? It is revolving with velocity phi, or even we can say phi naught also. ठीक है? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So this velocity is, let us suppose, phi or phi naught, orbital velocity. So what is the kinetic energy of satellite? Kinetic energy of satellite. बोलो formula. Half m phi naught square or half m phi square. ठीक है? Now, if I will substitute phi naught is equal to root g m by r, that implies phi naught square is equal to what? Bolo, g m by small r. So this 40 will get half into m into g m by r. Clear? And therefore kinetic energy is equal to Gmm by 2R. Is that clear? Yes. So we got potential energy minus Gmm by R. We got kinetic energy Gmm by 2R. Now total energy is what? Yes. Total energy. Bolo. What is the total energy? Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy, what we got? Bolo. Gmm by 2R, and potential energy is what? Minus Gmm by R. What I can take common from these two terms? Bolo bolo. Gmm by R into bracket 1 by 2 minus 1. Bolo bolo, what you will get? This is 1 by 1. So minus 1 plus half, minus 1 by 2. So what you will get, Ray? Minus Gmm by 2R. Understood this step? Understood or not? Bolo.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And therefore total energy is equal to minus Gmm by 2R. Let's call this as equation number 3. Understood? Any doubt, please ask. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Note down fast.
Done, sir.
Note down, don't just take screenshots. Okay, note down.
Done, sir. Okay, sir.
Because if you are taking screenshots, that screenshots will be there only in the mobile. You will not read. When mobile is in hand, you will just watch funny videos, but you will not read the content. Yes, no?
सर आप दोपहर में कॉलेज में रहते हैं सर आप सर आप दोपहर में कॉलेज में रहते हैं
Yes.
ठीक है सर
Yes, finished?
Done, sir.
Okay. Right. Now see, we got 3 equations. What are those equations? First, we got potential energy. Yes. What is the potential energy, Bolo? What is the potential energy? Yes.
Minus Gmm by R.
Minus Gmm by R. Okay. Next we got kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Bolo. Yes.
GMM by 2R.
GMM by 2R.
EMM by 2R.
Total energy what we got? Bolo. Minus
GMM by 2R.
M by 2R. If I will take ratio now, that is potential energy is to kinetic energy is to total energy. What I am getting? See, minus GM by R is to kinetic energy. GM by 2R. Next minus GM by 2R. What I can cancel now? Yes, tell me what I can cancel. This GMM, this GMM, this GMM cancel. This R cancel. Okay. What is left? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
First one minus 1 is to here it is what? 1 by 2. Here it is what, Ray? Minus
Minus
1 by 2. Agree with me?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if I will multiply throughout with 2, so that to remove the fraction, we can say, if I will multiply throughout by 2, what you will get? Minus 2, 1, next, bolo, minus
Minus
1.
1.
And therefore, if you want to find ratio of these energies, what is that ratio? Minus 2 is to 1 is to minus 1. Yes, no?
Yes,
Clear? Eh?
yes, sir.
Good. Now, note point, or first I will give one graph. Which will represent energy versus distance. Okay. What this graph represents? How energy changes with distance, we can say. Okay. So see here. On the x-axis, I am taking distance, that is R. What I am taking on the x-axis, R. And on the y-axis, what I am taking, energy. As distance increases, kinetic energy decreases. You see here, this is positive, energy is positive, and denominator is R, means inversely proportional to R. As R increases, kinetic energy decreases. That's why this graph is for what? Kinetic energy. You see, like this, it will go on decreasing. Understood? Clear? Yes?
Yes,
Now
sir.
see, potential energy and total energy are always negative, we can say. So as you are increasing the distance, negative value will decrease, means it will go on increasing. Yes, no? For example, initially if it is minus 4, after increasing the distance, it will become minus 2, then minus 1, then so on like this. But if you will see in negative numbers, minus 1 is always greater than minus 4. Yes or no? And that's why energy increases. Which energy increases? Potential energy and total energy with distance. And that's why their graphs are something like this. You see here, something like this graph. Okay, this is for total energy and this is for potential energy. Clear hai? Right. Now, what happens when satellite falls from higher orbit to lower orbit? Okay, what I'm going to tell now. What happens when satellite falls from higher orbit to lower orbit or from lower orbit to higher orbit? Okay, first of all, note down this. We will see that part on the next page. Okay. Note down fast.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, everyone finished?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, they may ask you in objective exam questions on this topic. So note point number 1, when satellite falls from higher orbit to a lower orbit. When, now you will only answer this question, listen carefully. When satellite falls from higher orbit to lower orbit. Higher orbit to lower orbit. Means, see here, this is planet. And this is higher orbit. And this pink one you can see, that is lower orbit, suppose. ये जो ब्लू कलर का है वो है हायर ऑर्बिट, ये जो पिंक कलर का है वो है लोअर ऑर्बिट. Somewhere here is the satellite. And it is jumping from higher orbit to lower orbit. Okay, understanding? Satellite jumping from higher orbit to lower orbit. What happens? First you tell me, distance will increase or decrease, Ray? Distance from the center, it will increase or decrease?
Sir, increase.
Decrease. Sir.
Decrease.
सोच के बोलो. ये मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया भी है आपको. You can see in the diagram.
Decrease.
Let us suppose this is R1
Decrease.
and this is R2. Decreases or increases? Decreases है ना?
Yes, sir.
R decreases. When R decreases, what happens? You see, Potential energy formula is what रे? Potential energy formula minus GMM by R, है कि नहीं? क्या है फॉर्मूला? माइनस GMM by R। तो क्या होगा पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, क्या होगा? बोलो बोलो। पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस। क्या होगा? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस। क्यों? क्योंकि क्या होता है, हाइट कम होता है ना, हाइट कम होता है। नेक्स्ट बी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस। काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस, है ना, एज इट इज कमिंग डाउन इट्स काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस। क्यों? क्योंकि वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज होता है। नेक्स्ट टोटल एनर्जी क्या होगा? टोटल एनर्जी को डिक्रीजेस, टोटल एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस। नेक्स्ट लीनियर मोमेंटम, लीनियर मोमेंटम डिक्रीजेस, लीनियर मोमेंटम डिक्रीजेस। नेक्स्ट डी पॉइंट, डी पॉइंट एंगुलर मोमेंटम डिक्रीजेस। यहाँ पे लीनियर मोमेंटम, लीनियर मोमेंटम इंक्रीज होगा ना, क्योंकि एम यू है ना। एक मिनट रुको, ये वाला, ये एंगुलर नहीं है, लीनियर है ना। लीनियर बोले तो एम वी, लीनियर मोमेंटम मींस एम वी, तो ये इंक्रीज होना चाहिए। यस। उसके बाद एंगुलर मोमेंटम, एंगुलर मोमेंटम, एंगुलर मोमेंटम डिक्रीजेस। कैसे, मैं आपको एक बार समझा देता हूं, रुको। When satellite falls from higher orbit to lower orbit, potential energy decreases. कैसे? Let's assume, थोड़ा सा assume करते हैं तो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। तो सबसे पहले देखो, R1 लेता हूं मैं 5 मीटर और R2 लेता हूं 2 मीटर, जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। अब पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला क्या है रे? क्या है पोटेंशियल? माइनस GMM बाय R समझो। तो पहले क्या आएगा? माइनस GMM बाई 5, और दूसरे केस में क्या आएगा? माइनस GMM बाई 2, है कि नहीं? तो देखो अब ये जो माइनस वैल्यू है माइनस GMM बाई 5, और ये क्या है? माइनस GMM बाई 2, है ना। तो क्या होगा इसमें? देखो ये वैल्यू तो कम हो रही है ना, निगेटिव में, है कि नहीं? उसके बाद देखो जो नेक्स्ट है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस। क्यों? क्योंकि ये हाफ mv स्क्वायर है ना, हाफ mv स्क्वायर। द वेलोसिटी will increase as it is coming down, that's why kinetic energy increases. अब टोटल एनर्जी ये डिक्रीज हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है, फिर भी क्या होता है? डिक्रीज होता है। लीनियर मोमेंटम क्या है? m इंटू वी। लीनियर मोमेंटम p इज इक्वल टू m इंटू वी। वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज हो गया तो मोमेंटम भी इंक्रीज होगा। एंगुलर मोमेंटम इज व्हाट? mvr, mvr। r डिक्रीजेस ना, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल डिक्रीज। ओके। सिंपली अगर आपको पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्यों डिक्रीज हो रहा है इसमें डाउट है, तो आप अगर mgh का फॉर्मूला देखोगे, mgh, तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट केस में mgr1 ले लो, नेक्स्ट केस में mgr2 ले लो। तो कौन सा ज्यादा आएगा? ये ज्यादा आएगा, ये कम आएगा, है ना। इसलिए क्या बोलेंगे? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन। नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट, reverse of this, that is when satellite rises from lower orbit to higher orbit. When satellite rises from lower orbit to higher orbit. Lower orbit to higher orbit. क्या होगा देखो, नंबर ए, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी पहले केस में डिक्रीज हुआ था, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी increases due to increase in height, we can say. Next, काइनेटिक एनर्जी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होगा, डिक्रीज होगा, क्यों, क्योंकि स्पीड कम हो रहा है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस. नेक्स्ट, टोटल एनर्जी, बोलो, टोटल एनर्जी इंक्रीजेस. नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, स्पीड इंक्रीज होगा, डिक्रीज होगा, स्पीड डिक्रीज होगा, है ना. देयरफॉर लीनियर मोमेंटम डिक्रीजेस. लीनियर मोमेंटम डिक्रीजेस. एंड लास्ट वन क्या होगा एंगुलर मोमेंटम का, बोलो. एज आर इंक्रीजेस, एंगुलर मोमेंटम increases. Okay, angular momentum increases. यहाँ पे और एक पॉइंट आप ऐड कर सकते हो दोनों केसेस में, लास्ट को, कौन सा, when it is rising from higher to lower orbit, इसका जो स्पीड है वो क्या होता है, इंक्रीज होता है. और यहाँ पे as it is going from lower to higher orbit, इसका जो स्पीड है वो क्या होगा, डिक्रीज होगा. जब स्पीड डिक्रीज होता है तो लीनियर मोमेंटम भी डिक्रीज होता है, याद रखो. यस, नोट डाउन फास्ट. Yes, finished.
1 minute.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, first one once you can tell again, sir.
Which one? This one?
First one. Yes, sir.
See, potential energy decreases means why it will decrease? Height is decreasing now. Height from
Yes,
here
sir.
to here. That's why it will decrease. Kinetic energy, why it will increase? Because its speed will increase. Okay. Then total energy
Yes, sir.
decreases. Okay. Linear momentum increases. Why? Due to increase in velocity. Because linear momentum formula is what? mv. Angular momentum mvr. mvr.
Yes, sir,
R
it will also
decreases.
decrease.
Decreases.
It will also decrease.
Yes, and speed increases, obviously. Speed increases, that's why linear momentum increases. Down is there now. In this case,
Yes, sir. Yes,
everything
sir.
reverse.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Understood.
हाँ.
Sir, you wrote D 2 times.
Okay. यहाँ पे E और F करना है ना?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे वैसे लिखा है, ठीक है. इसको F लिखो, ठीक है. D इसको E करो और इसको F करो, दोनों साइड में. ओके. ठीक है, ई और एफ करो। ये है ई नंबर का पॉइंट, ये है एफ। यहाँ पे भी ये ई करो और ये एफ। अब ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलेंगे। यस,
Yes, sir.
ओके ना।
Sir, in 1 and 2 cases, both everything will be opposite, na sir?
हाँ, यस
P increase, P decrease. K
Yes, yes,
increase,
yes.
K decrease.
यस। हाँ, सी नाउ, trajectories of a body projected at with different velocities. Trajectories trajectories of a body projected different velocities.
Sir, projected at with
Trajectories of a body projected at with different velocities. Okay. Now this is Earth, suppose. Trajectory means path followed, okay?
Sir, after the class ends, should we have to rejoin?
No.
Okay, sir.
See here, this is the Earth and this is first orbit. Next,
Sir, should we rejoin, sir?
Sir,
no,
sir,
you just make it. If it is pending, we will continue tomorrow. Don't worry.
projected
Okay.
at with the
There.
Projected at with. Projected at with different velocities. ठीक है? Just keep the heading. We will continue this diagram tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just keep the heading.
Sir, can we
Okay.
leave?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.